Hey folks, have another quick unboxing for you. TREBLAB wireless headphones U5, another contestant or candidate for my series on sub $100 headphones. I've had some really good ones. Hybrid active noise cancellation, 40mm drivers, transparency mode, foldable design, soft materials, comfortable fit. Let's get right into it. It's just an unboxing. As you can see, it has a nice case that TREBLAB usually comes with. I'll throw the boxes aside. Case feels nice as usual. Their logo on the top. The zipper is not one of those that flap over, that really tight, that's waterproof, so water will get in there. Let's open it up. Here we go. Headphones. The pack here has the manual and two cables, the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And obviously by seeing this is a 3.5mm audio to USB-C, which means that these headsets do USB-C audio. So this port is not just for charging, it's also for audio. And what I like about this is they included a cable. I also believe that USB-C to USB-C data transmission cable will work as well. But the last of the headphones that I reviewed that used USB-C audio did not include a cable. So kudos to TREBLAB. Take a quick look at the headsets. The cushioning is nice and soft. It has the indication of right to left on the inside. On the outsides, on the left side, there's just basically nothing but the logo. On the right side, there's the USB-C as you saw. There is the noise cancellation, noise cancelling button, and the controls right here. The middle one being, I'll see if I can get it to go on for you, the power. You see the light blinking. The middle one's the power. I believe if you hold it, it goes into Bluetooth mode, as all of these do. This has a unique system of expanding the headset, the headband. It's got these coil cables here, which I may like or dislike, because if I'm using them, they'll probably last a long time. If my son's using these headsets, they won't. But these metal pieces through the plastic are what do the extending of the headset to fit your head. Not much else to them. So they're foldable, as you can see, and they fold up pretty tight, so you can get a real small package if you wanted to throw it in the bag if you didn't have the case. They also fold flat to go into the case. So I'm going to charge these up, do some listening to the usual genres that I use as across the board for testing these headsets, the sub $100. And when I'm done, I'll write the review. And if you click on the link in the description of this video, you can read it in its entirety. So coming soon, the review for the TREBLAB U5 wireless headphones.